Alright, this is Squiddy P again. This is the last assignment for project programming assignment 1. This is question 3 with Thomas Edison State University COS 111 Introduction to Programming. Here we go. As I said before, I'm using the Atom text editor. And the question 3 is write a well-documented commented program, LC, that uses one for loop and one if statement, prints out integers 1 to 10. With 10 integers per line. So let's get started by resaving this. Save as. This is going to be lc.java. I got it right that time. Look at that. Comment it out. Perfect. If you don't want to watch me do this, you can fast forward. Public class lc. And I want you guys to see all my mistakes, so that's why I do it in one take if I can. Static void main, goodness, string for your user input, and args. Perfect. Okay, so for loop. So for, and we need to print 1 to 100, so we're going to put a counter in here. Int I is going to equal, we want to start 1, so let's do 1, and then we're going to, well, we want to stop at 100, so we'll get to 1, and then we're going to increment the I. All right, and then we're going to print out system out print, oops, print I, and we're going to put a space in here, so let's catenate a space. All right, and then we need to make a new line after every 10, right? So if I, let's see here, let's divide it by 10, divided by 10, that won't give us a remainder. So if it's 1, it'd be 0.1, so that would be a remainder. So we're not going to, we're going to equal, the modular must equal 0, must equal 0. And if that happens, we want to system out a new line. Why do I always press that Q? New line. There we go. Everything looks good. Java, okay, let's save it. We're going to open our terminal again. And you're right, I do this every time. Documents. This is just my way of repetition. So I learn the file system better. And then we go Java C lc.java. Yep, no problems. Let's see if this works. Java lc. Enter. Hey, look at that, it works. That's the last assignment. All right. Hope you learned something.